So here in this binomial model, what we can observe is that, my current spot price, it can move up to 104 because we have assumed the up move factor to be 1.3, and it can go down to 64 because we assumed a down move factor of 0.8, and we want this typical probabilities. So we want the probability numbers. Now the underlying assumption, or underlying, it cannot be assumption, it's about natural thing. If I ask you what is the expected price, what is the expected price of stock 1 year from now? So expected price from stock 1 year from now, it will be like 104 into P plus 64 into 1 minus P बोल सकता हूँ. Am I right, guys? Can I call this as expected price of stock 1 year from now? It will be 104 multiplied by the probability of up move plus 64 multiplied by probability of down move. Am I correct? Yes or no? The expected price of the stock. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So expected price of the stock 1 year from now is this function. So we can write this as 104p plus 64 minus 64p. And then if you just subtract it, 40p plus 64. So that comes out to be 40p plus 64. This is the expected price of stock 1 year from now. This is the expected price of stock 1 year from now. And then if I further say that this is the expected price of stock 1 year from now, the other way of understanding this thing is expected price or expected future value of stock. Expected future value of stock, we say that this 80 may at least go up by the risk-free rate. So E into 80, and then E raised to Rn, which is 80 into E raised to 0.05. So how much does this come out to be? 80 into E raised to 0.05.
84.1.
84.1. Okay, so obviously both these terms should be equal to each other. Both of these terms should be equal to each other because they are anyways talking about the expected price 1 year from now. Therefore, we say 40p plus 64 equal to 84.1. So 40p equal to, can I say it will be 20.1, and p will be 20.1 divided by 40. Was it exact 84.1 or some other number also? I had it.
It was 84.101.
101. That's a ticket to 100. So that is 20.1 divided by 40. So if you look at this, this comes out to be 20.1 divided by 40. That's probability of 50.25%. तो up move जो आंसर है, we can say कि probability of going upside is 50.25%, or I can say 0.5025. And of course, what will be the answer for downside? What will be the answer for the downside number? 0.4975, right? 0.4975. So that's the down move probability. Now, based on this, of course, we can value the call option and put option. You will say what is the call benefit likely to be. Similarly, a put ka dekhoge, and then you can calculate it just as we did in the previous thing. So let us just do this part. In this case, will the call option be exercised or lapsed if the price is 104? Strike price was 75. Will the call option be exercised or lapsed?
Exercise.
Exercise. And here it will be lapsed, and opposite will be over here, lapsed and exercised. So for a price of 104 against a strike price of 75, for a price of 104 against a strike price of 75, what is the benefit that we can get from the call? How much benefit? 29, or gain, can I say it is 29? Gain from the call is 29. And whereas, what can you say about gain from the call? If you lapse it, of course, that is 0, lapse 0. And if this is exercised over here, what is the gain from put? What's the gain from put? 75 is the strike price. 64
11.
is the, okay, so that's the 11. And if I just ask you, what is the expected gain? Expected gain of the call. Obviously, after 1 year, we are talking of. And expected gain of put. We can get it simply by 29 multiplied by the up move probability, which is 0.5025 plus 0 into 0.4975. So this answer comes out to be 29 into 0.5025, which is 14.5725. And expected gain. So this was the first part. This may be better. 14.5725, and ये side पे it is going to be 0 into 0.5025 plus 11 into 0.4975. So that's going to be 11 into 0.4975, which is 5.4725. So this is the expected gain from the put. So after 1 year, based on these prices, we say we are likely to get a benefit of 15.5725 from call. And if you're holding a call, if you're holding a put, then it is 5.4725. So if I ask you, what should be value of call today? That should be simply present value of gain in 1 year, which is like 14.5725 into e raised to minus 0.05. And same way, if I want to talk of put, that's going to be the same PV of gain in 1 year, which is 5.4725. So that's 5.4725 into e raised to minus 0.05. So you can get this answers by simple calculations. Are we good till now? The way we got the probabilities and the way we are calculating the value of call and put. Are we good till now?
Yes, sir.
So, can you explain why did we equate this expected future value and expected price of stock 1 year from now?
So we equated these two things, right?
Yeah,
we
right.
equated 40p plus 64 with 84.1, right? So here, this was the expected price of stock 1 year from now. Probability को assume करके we said that the stock price is likely to be this much, or it is expected to be this much, 40p minus 40p plus 64. Current price जो अपना stock का है, that is 80. So if I assume that we are in a risk neutral world, that's the underlying assumption in any derivative valuation. Risk neutral world, मतलब आपको जो rate of interest मिलेगा कहीं से भी, that is going to be risk free interest. तो risk free interest के हिसाब से देखो तो मेरा stock price जो फिलहाल 80 है, if I assume that it will grow by the risk free rate, so can I say that 80 will become 84.1 1 year from now?
Yes.
Correct. So this is a price which I'm expecting to be 1 year from now based on the risk neutral, and यहाँ पे I expect it to be 40p plus 64. So anyways, both of them are prices of the stock 1 year from now. So they should be equal to each other.
So, but like this is based on the interest rate that we have and all future value now, but and this is the price of the stock which is not they are both are not dependent on each other. Like
They are not dependent on each other. ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते हो, क्योंकि stock price जो up move होगा, down move होगा, the expected it may become 104 or it may become 64. That we will come to know on a future date. But हम लोग expect तो करेंगे that my stock price should at least grow by the risk free rate. मेरा expectation तो वही रहेगा कि that it should at least grow by the rate of interest which is prevailing in the market.
yeah.
Right. So with that thing we are equating both. Obviously they are going to move. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि सर आपने expect किया तो ये इतना ही होगा 84.1. It can become 104 or it can become 64. That purely depends on the market outcome after 1 year. But what we can expect out of it is that both of them are going to be equal, or I can say my stock is going to grow at a risk-free rate. Okay, so that's why we just
The value of call today is nothing but the premium of the call option, right?
Yeah, premium of the call option. Yes, how much you are ready to pay today. So whenever we say value of any call or value of any put, it is simply the premium that is likely to be paid. So we say over here that after 1 year, I'm likely to gain, 14.5725. I'm likely to gain 14.5725 after 1 year. So it is quite obvious that कि अगर मैं एक साल बाद 14.5725 benefit ले सकता हूँ, so आज के डेट में मुझे उसका present value pay करना चाहिए. Because whatever you pay today, it is dependent on what you're likely to get on a future date. Okay. Now, I just want you guys to, maybe come up with a formula for P. मतलब मुझे ये बार बार ऐसा equate करके मेरे को कोई ये probability निकालना नहीं है. I just want a formula over here. The formula can be, you can use formula में U, D, R and N. ये तीन factors को लेके you have to come up with a formula which should tell us what is the probability value likely to be.
So can you scroll a bit up? I want to see some values to make the formula. Done, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Try to formulate a formula for this, so that next time when I want to calculate any option premium, I can simply punch the values and I get the P probability automatically. I need not do the equation thing again and again.
So is it E raised to Rn is equal to UP plus D minus DP?
Hello. Yeah, I want.
Hello.
Yeah, P का formula चाहिए मुझे. P on one side, rest all terms on the other side.
E raised to Rn minus D upon U minus D.
Okay, exactly. It is E raised to
Rn
hmm,
minus D
yes upon
U
U
minus
minus
T.
T. Yes, this is the exact thing which we are talking of. So this is the formula for probability of upside, obviously, and downside तो सीधा 1 minus करके आ सकता है आपका आंसर. Okay, so that is how we get this typical formula. So now if I give you any set of values and I want you to calculate some probabilities, I want to calculate the value of call option, put option, you can definitely do it. Let me just try it out with an example. Let's say the current spot price is 1,500. Up move factor is 1.3. Down move factor is, let's say, 0.9. Strike price is, let's say, 1510. N, take it as 6 months. अच्छा, N अगर 6 months लेता हूँ, I want to make it in full year. Can I say it should be 0.5 years? ठीक है, फॉर्मूला में जो भी N जाएगा, that is always number of years. ठीक है, तो 0.5 and आपका rate of interest is 0.05. So with these things, first get me the value of P, फिर Q, then उसके बाद call option का and put option का premium. चलो, try it out. This can be a question also.
So now
Yeah.
0, our S naught will be 1,500, and then when we look forward, will be for the next 6 months only, right? Or we have to do it for
Yes. No, 6 months. 6 months. 6 months. What's the probability of up move?
0.3132.
0.3132. Down move का probability?
0.6867.
6867. And then call premium and put premium values.
I got one call premium as 140.94.
140.94. Okay.
And the put premium as 103.005.
103.005.
Yeah, I'm not sure though.
You can actually check whether it is correct or not. Try using the put call parity theorem. चेक करो कि ये पुट और कॉल के प्रीमियम वैल्यू से क्या आपका पुट कॉल पैरिटी थ्योरम फुलफिल हो रहा है, क्योंकि अगर पुट कॉल पैरिटी थ्योरम इफ इट इज फुलफिल्ड then definitely this answers are correct. Maybe just check, is the put call parity getting satisfied? Put call parity में अपना LHS left hand side में we used to have spot and a put option. So 1500 plus 103.005 is like 1603.005, and RHS, it used to be call option plus strike price into e raised to minus Rn. So call option का value आया आपको 140.94 plus strike price था 1510 e raised to minus 0.025 because it's a half year. So what's the answer for this? 140.1510 growing at 2.5%.
One 1613.657.
1613.
No, sir. These C and P values I've given you that expected gain, not the premium.
वही ना, इसलिए यहाँ पे पुट कॉल पैरिटी सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah. The premium value should be then 137.4601.
137.4601.
Yeah.
And what about the put?
100.46.
100.46. Okay. So this is 1500 plus 100.46. So this becomes 1600.46. And यहाँ पे ये होगा 137.46 plus ये part. Put call parity satisfy हो रहा है?
I'm getting the RHS as 1610.178.
1610.
Yeah.
One 1610. Divided by, I guess, plus 137.46. Yeah, it is 1610.63. Maybe it's because of some small rounding up. Is any other difference? I mean, call and put ka premium values. Is anyone else getting different answer? Or is it the same?
I'm getting call premium is 134.45 and put premium is 107.16.
Put premium is how much?
107.16.
Probabilities correct hai ye? These probabilities?
Yes, sir. I'm getting the second answer. The one Riddhi told, but like ulta. Like what she's getting for call, I'm getting.
ठीक है, मैं करता हूँ. चलो 1500 से it can go up to 1500 plus 30%. तो 1950 हो सकता है या फिर 90%. 1500 into
1350.
90%, 1350। तो यहाँ पे कॉल का बात करेगा तो बेनिफिट यहाँ पे स्ट्राइक प्राइस कितना है 1510, तो 1950 माइनस 1510, 440 का बेनिफिट है। और यहाँ पे तो लैप्स हो जाएगा। पुट के केस में दिस विल बी 0 और 1510 10 माइनस 19
कॉल में भी
160। क्या कॉल में
we are buying, no? तो लाइक फर्स्ट केस में लैप्स नहीं होगा कॉल में?
कैसे? हम लोग तो स्ट्राइक प्राइस पे बाय करेंगे ना।
अच्छा राइट, सॉरी।
तो स्ट्राइक प्राइस पे बाय करेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली 1950 का चीज मैं 1510 में खरीदूंगा। 1950 का चीज तो 1510 में खरीदेगा तो 440 का गेन है। ओके, प्रोबेबिलिटीज है 0.3132 एंड 0.6867। तो कॉल का expected value at this point it is 440 into 0.3132 which is ये आता है 137.8। यही प्रोबेबिलिटी मेरा 137.8 आ रहा है, करेक्ट? 440 into 0.3132 तो 137.808 ये आता है। और इसका होता है 160 into 0.6867 that is 109.
852 आ रहा है, 137.852।
ठीक है, वो डेसिमल तूने अलग लिया रहेगा इसमें प्रोबेबिलिटी में।
हाँ मैंने 0.3133 लिया। हाँ
तो वो उसकी वजह से, दैट इज ओके। फिर इसका आप पीवी लोगे तो 137 का पीवी लोगे तो 137.808 डिवाइड बाय e रेज टू 0.025 कितना है वैल्यू ये? should be roughly 137.808 divided by 1. It should be like 134 point something. Should be 134 point something. And iska bhi it will be 109.87 divided by e raised to 0.025. Get the values? कितना है?
134.405 and 107.159.
107.159. अब जरा पुट कॉल पैरिटी में डालो। It is 1500 plus 134.405. नहीं, गलत लिखा। पुट का आएगा 107.159. So this is 160.7.159 and यहाँ पे it is 134.405. Oh, 1510 divided by 134. ये आता है यहाँ पे 1607 मैच होता है। So in this way, whether you're getting put or call correct or not, you can just verify it with your put call parity theorem also. Are we good? Would you like to try one more? कुछ तो बोलो।
हाँ सर।
चलो एक और करते and then we'll wind up for the day. Suppose the spot price is now 650. Strike price is 675. Up move is 1.5. Down move is let's say 0.75. N जो है, let us take it as 3 months. A 3 months मतलब for full year it is going to be 0.25 and risk free अपना same 5%. चलो, try to get first P, Q, probability of up move, probability of down move, and then फिर call option and put option का premium values. फटाफट 10 मिनट में खत्म करो और फिर छुट्टी. Yeah, what's the P? P value कितना है? 0.3.
0.3.
Q is
0.35.
0.35 है. Okay. So this will be 0.65. Have you got the call option value also?
Yes, sir.
1.3.69.
कितना call option कितना?
103.695.
103.695 and put option premium
120.34.
120.34. Okay. Fine. So with that, as I promised you, leaving you early, so we'll stop here for the day. कल भी है ना अपना, as per our pre-decided thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes. कल कितना सुबह है क्या?
कल सर एक सेकंड.
सुबह ही होगा शायद. Thursday है ना? सुबह 8 to 10, फिर 1 to 2 भी है. 1 to 2 तो रेगुलर है. Then 8 to 10. Okay, चलो. So we'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll continue with this same thing. ये अपना 1 period था, मतलब सिर्फ स्टॉक एक बार चेंज हो गई assumption था. कल हम लोग मल्टी पीरियड करेंगे and then taking it further with that of Black-Scholes वाला formula करेंगे. Okay, so let's stop here for the day. See you in the next class. Bye bye everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.